Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. The process is very simple, just follow my steps. First is open up your TikTok and go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile. After tapping on your Edit Profile, tap on the Change Photo. A pop-up will then show up saying Take Photo, Upload Photo, or View Photo. Since we want to change our profile picture, we either choose Take Photo or Upload Photo. In my case, I will tap on Upload Photo and then the photo album will open up. Choose your desired photo, and here we either want to share to our story or not. In this example, I will uncheck the share to story and press save. Just like that, your profile photo on TikTok will be changed. That will be all for this video, and if you like the video, tap on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.